Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new sheet in Google Drive. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Drive. And here it opens up in the suggested tab. From here we just go into the bottom right corner and tap on the plus icon. Then tap on Google Sheets. And here it's going to create a sheet right away, which we can edit and play around with. And after we are done, we just tap on the X to exit it, and then it's going to appear right at the top in the suggested tab, and we can just go back and open it again if we want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.